Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're joining me for the first time, hi. My name is Martha and this is Martha's Empire. So I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be I tried following the thingy challenge, and I'm going to follow Tati's makeup video with Scott, J-Lo's makeup artist. And you know, like, my makeup routine is just pretty much standard. It's the same thing. So I'm like, this is gonna be fun, and you know, it's gonna be a good challenge because I know it's completely different from what I usually do. And you know, Kiki is out. She back, she clean, she moisturized, she is trimmed, she is healthy, she is doing well. And the funny thing is that I haven't like watched the full video. I've just been like, you know, skimming through.
I'm gonna treat you as though we were doing like a video shoot, music video or something like that.
So we're doing this video.
Okay, so I'm gonna use eyeliner, right? What I like to do with this is to bring it in, and you just use it to like eliminate stuff. And I'm gonna go in ham, like I'm gonna use makeup, like I'm not gonna pretend like.
Wait. What about primer, prepping, skin thing? We're not doing any of that. No. So I'm gonna use my concealer from Makeup Revolution. Cause yeah, we're gonna go like that. Whoa.
My mind wants you, but my heart wants you to leave. I gave you all my love. You threw it away.
Usually I always start with my eyebrows, so this is like really different how I do my makeup, but we're in for the challenge. And I don't use a lot of product actually, so this is like a lot. So I don't have the brush that he used, so I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender. Like,
Left me in a messed up zone. A heart with emotions. Hard to explain that I start to go. Why'd you have to leave me? Why'd you have to do me so bad? No, it wasn't easy. Those moments in my life were hard.
wait,
Why'd you have to leave me?
because I usually like make my beauty blender damp when I'm blending.
Those moments in my life were hard.
Alright, so
Echoes of your voice.
this is what we have so far. I don't know what to do next. Like, if I should continue blending or if we're gonna continue later on. But apparently we're supposed to contour our jaws. That's the next thing.
So this is what I call
Oh, look at that brush!
this look. I actually,
It really looks like a painting brush.
Oh, you named this look?
yeah, it's called SNATCHnatural.
Natural.
It's snatch but natural.
I love that so much.
It's kind of like Chloe and Hoey.
Yes.
Glowy and
Where's
Hoey.
your merch? You need some.
She's pretty. She looks natural, but a little bit more. So she's natural. Now you need to.
Natural. I'm here for that. I don't have much of a jawline actually. So like they brought it in like that.
You should have let me know that you were leaving me. I've been in so much stress. Can't handle
Okay, so we're gonna contour as well.
I feel half full since you've been gone. No love lasts forever. Me living is the proof. The echoes of your voice.
I think his routine would be different according to your face shape, I'm guessing.
Mind wants you, but my heart wants you to leave. I gave you all my love. You threw it away. Now all
I
that
don't usually contour my nose, so this is
is the echoes
nice.
of my pain. Having restless nights because of you. That's when I start to get over. My thoughts make
I'm waiting for the next step, like
Bruh.
you probably moved on. Left me in
blend, 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 sis.
a heart with emotions. Hard to explain.
Little lighter foundation. We don't want to to take away the contour.
Wait,
Bruh.
foundation? Alright, so I guess we're gonna add foundation now. I'm just gonna like shake it and like put dots here. I'm just gonna use a brush now. And you were not supposed to kind of like get rid of the contour, so I don't know why. I didn't even see where you put foundation though. Like he uses foundation as if it's like blush. It's just like lightly done. The African auntie. Ah, lips.
Just patting over it gently, like that.
I'm like I have a monster.
Blend it.
This is so dry.
Leave my heart behind, where I know it's hard to find. Don't be mad at me for leaving you all behind. Had to find some peace of mind. You should have let me know that you were leaving me. I've been in so much stress. Can't handle the truth.
So they didn't really show us how they blended the nose area, but I guess I can do it.
No love lasts forever.
Because now it's kind of like dry. Oh my god, it's gonna be so hard.
The echoes of your voice speaking in my head. My mind wants you, but my heart wants you to leave. I gave you all my love. You threw it away.
I am so confused. I'm lost, I'm found, and then I'm lost again. So apparently now it's bronzer. Like everything is just like so opposite. So it's like, what the hell? But anyway, I think it's not looking bad. Surprisingly.
Thoughts make me feel like a fool. You probably moved on. Left me in a messed up zone. A heartbeat emotion.
We're gonna go over with lip liner, and funny enough I always finish with my lips, so this is like upside down. I think also because like the video was edited, so it's like we don't really get the full tea of what's happening, because I'm like, are we baking, are we setting? Oh, maybe I'm not listening, I don't know why, but anyway, lips it is.
Why'd you have to do me so bad? You know it wasn't easy. Those moments in my life were
I don't really think it makes any difference because I have like contour all over my face, all over my lips, and I have dark lips already, so it's like you can't even see the lip liner at this point. It's drowning somewhere.
I gave you all my love. You threw it away. Now all that's left of you is the echoes in my head.
So next step, apparently it's eyebrows. I thought we forgot about you, girl. I thought we forgot about you. And I just showed a video of like, you know, how I grew my eyebrows, so make sure you check that out, you know, like, why not? So with eyebrows, I always use an eyebrow pencil, and this is like, girl, month end is a pain.
Take me to a place I've never been.
So I guess this is enough. And usually I always like, you know, highlight my eyebrows, but we're not doing that apparently in this video. So eyebrows are sisters and they're not twins. Even though I'm gonna have twins though. He went in with, you know, something for your eyebrows, and I have this from Elf, so I'm just gonna like go in.
You should have let me know.
So he went in with like, you know, powder. He's on powder, but I have this powder, Prisma, and he just like did something like this. Let's do that.
Since you've been gone, no love lasts forever. Me living is the proof. The echoes of your voice.
When I have money, I'm definitely buying his brushes, but for now, this is my lip liner. Like, this is my lip liner. Let's not even talk about his brushes. You know what I'm talking about. So now he's just, you know, he's going in with like, you know, the eyes, and I'm just gonna do something simple because we're home, we're quarantined, like.
Is the echoes in my head, having restless nights because of you. That's when I start to get over. My thoughts make me feel like a fool. You probably moved on, left me in a messed up zone. A heart with emotions, hard to explain that I start to grow.
With SNATCHnatural, we're complete. So I did my lashes and my eyes, and you know, if they're lifting, don't mind because I'm still learning again. Don't talk about it. So yeah, now let me show you the full look. Ah.
Being on my grind, when I make it seem I'm not missing, I'm not selfish, I've been selfless. You keep on saying I've changed, but I'm the same old me.
So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I hope it wasn't confusing because I was so confused the whole entire time. But yeah, I think overall I would say it's less about foundation and more about contour and highlight. That's what I would say, because like we didn't really use a lot of foundation. Maybe that's why it's called SNATCHnatural, you know. Like the thing that I've learned about this video is more about like, you know, technique and learning how to use things and how to do things, and less about, you know, the products, but it's about technique and brushes. Yeah, and so far you can see like his brushes look like they're really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And yeah, peace, love, and see you in my next video. Mwah.
Teenage boy pursuing his dreams in a mixed up scene, and I'm sorry that I spent less time with you.